Life is good. Life is good. Watching idiotic ramblings with Tim. Life is good. Come on.
I hope we are in landscape mode, not portrait mode. Good morning, YouTube world. How is everybody today? It is 7:33 local time, and I'm on my way to sell some trucks there. Come on. Yes, sir. Good morning. So yeah, we're gonna go sell some trucks today. I try to sell some trucks. It's my second day back from vacation. Pretty exciting, right? Let's turn y'all back around so you can see the world. Idiotic ramblings from the hood of the Hemi Dodge. Oh, Hemi Dodge getting some miles on it. 54,643 on this antique 2008. We may have to start slowing her down and ride the Harley back and forth to work a little bit. Yes, sir. So I would have ride the Harley today. It's currently 45. Where's it at? Right there it is. 45 degrees. That would have been a good day to ride the bike to work. Anything north of freezing, we're good there, Roger. But the Harley is nasty, and I just took the factory battery out of it yesterday and went to Harley and bought a new battery for it. That is correct. I bought a Harley Davidson battery for it. Because that battery that was in it was 5 years old. And the batteries you get at Advance or whatever, they're just crap. They don't last but a few months. So I went back with it. And plus it said it had the Harley Davidson logo on it. So, gotta have the Harley Davidson logo on your battery there. Come on. It was, I think, $175 with the military discount. It was $140 something, and taxes like $150, so not bad. And I had a gift card, so we used a gift card. No, I was not in the military, but the girlfriend was, so we used her name and got the military discount. A lot of people get confused about my thinking I was in the service, or I was fire department for 7 years, if that counts for anything, but no, I've never been in law enforcement, and I was never in the military. I did try to go to the military when I was 18, but I had asthma, and back in those days they were real picky. You couldn't be flat-footed, you couldn't have asthma, you couldn't be transgender, nothing. So now it doesn't matter, they take anybody. You can be whatever you want to be and join the military there. Come on. Another story for another day there, Roger. But anyway, we got way off topic. We're going to go sell some trucks. And anybody want to buy a truck today, give me a call. I was fixing to reset my phone number. But I've been on vacation for 2 weeks. So 423, I don't even know. No, I ain't going to try. We had it memorized and we forgot, all-timers. Come on in there, big old Cadillac. Yeah, you're special. Just come on in there, moron. Thank you for that. Appreciate your time and consideration today. We're on a roll this morning. We had 2 cups of coffee there. Come on. All right, we'll see you guys at the dealership. You ever have one of those days that everybody wants to tailgate you? Everybody's driving so bloody fast these days. Anyway, here we are at work. Looks like we still have about 5 of those white T680s available. Well, if that 110 speed is still available, if that 110 speed is still up here, I need to make a video on it. There's other, that's the only one we got is the 10 speed manual. The others are automatics, and which are good, but we got 110 speed. Yeah, and so we'll make a video on that today. So, got 10 of those Hinos over there, used ones to turn in. I want to show you something right here. We got some Miller trucks right here. This is a 990. Came in yesterday. See that 990 right there? That 990 came in yesterday. That's going to Miller to become a wrecker. Don't you guys worry. That will grow on you. Just be patient. That window fogged up, didn't it? So I can't wait till we get a sleeper truck in and do a video on it. And got that nice red dump truck out there that's still available. No, I'm sorry, I lied. I think I'm sorry. We've got a burnt orange one that's available. And there's we got 10 of these Hino box vans in. They're in detail getting cleaned up. We'll get a video of that and show you. Make it also a local delivery truck for someone. Well, anyway, so there you go, guys. We'll go get some videos shot, put up today, and get you guys some material put up. You know, y'all have a good day. We'll see you on the flip. So here it is. It's this burnt orange one that's available. It's a non-steerable tag there, T880. We'll get a video of that dump truck. Even you guys looking for a dump truck, we'll get that shot for y'all here in a little bit. It's a beautiful truck, isn't it? That one's still available. So we'll get that rendered up after a while.
Hey Tim, when I'm not watching idiotic ramblings with Life is Good, I'm grilling up a big fat ribeye and 2 fillets. Come on